Hi guys, here are the green onions or spring onions that I thinned out from the video last night. I cut them to the desired shape that I wanted. So what you do is you pick them, bring them in, wash them up, remove the part that you don't want or that's a little bit hardened. You'll feel the difference when you get in here and start doing them. Some of it, but the skin around them feels like skin. Sometimes can feel a little plasticky. You don't want that. So remove all of that. Give that part a good washing. Make sure there's no dirt on it. And then I go ahead and I set them on the cookie sheet without the parchment paper. And then I will just let them kind of dry off in the refrigerator overnight. And then I got up this morning and I cut them to the desired length, put them back in the freezer. It's kind of a little small cookie sheet, but I just have a side by side and I have a nice even place or shelf that I can put them on. And you just leave them in here for a couple of hours. You can leave them in overnight, that won't hurt them. And then when you are done, you take your parchment paper, just fold it in half, and then you'll just sort of ease them or slide them into here. What I already have going, the little green onion production bag that I have going, and I will fill this for winter. And you just take the air out, seal it up, pop it back into your freezer, and then your parchment paper, you can set this aside and kind of let it air out, like get some air circulation through it, and you can reuse it. I'll reuse this again, and I will also use this for chives and also cilantro, and just keep my little freezer production going. If you get to a part in this or chives to where they feel and look slimy, I would just stop. You could either use that uncut portion for your compost, or you can use it in whatever you're cooking or will be cooking soon and just refrigerate it until you need it. Thank you so much. If you would please subscribe, that would be sweet. Otherwise, love you. Have a great day.